Building wealth in your 20s is achievable, and it sets you on a path to a future brimming with financial freedom and opportunity. We'll explore strategies for maximizing your income, investing wisely, and living frugally, without sacrificing the fun of your youth. 1. Investing for growth. Your 20s are a golden age for building wealth. Thanks to a powerful financial advantage, time. This is the prime time to leverage compound interest, where your money grows on itself, snowballing over time. Imagine your money earning interest, and then that interest itself starts earning even more interest. That's the magic of compound interest. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to benefit from this snowball effect. Even small, consistent investments in your 20s can blossom into a significant nest egg by retirement. Strategies for growth-oriented investing in your 20s. Embrace calculated risk. Your 20s allow for a higher risk tolerance compared to when you're closer to retirement. Consider stocks and stock index funds, which offer the potential for higher returns, but also carry greater risk of fluctuation. Diversification is key here. Spread your investments across different asset classes to manage risk. Time is your ally. Don't underestimate the power of starting early. Even small contributions can add up significantly over time, thanks to compound interest. Low-cost index funds. A fantastic option for beginners. Index funds track a specific market segment, like the S&P 500, offering broad diversification and professional management at a lower cost than actively managed funds. Invest automatically. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your investment account. This ensures consistent investing and removes emotions from the equation, preventing you from selling during market dips. Focus on long-term goals. Don't be discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. Stay invested with a long-term perspective, allowing your investments to weather market ups and downs and benefit from compound interest. Remember to hit subscribe for weekly wealth creation tips. 2. Building multiple income streams. Imagine a world where a single setback, like a job loss or a market downturn, wouldn't derail your financial security. Multiple income streams create a safety net, giving you a financial buffer against unexpected events. Here are some ways to get started. Monetize your skills. Freelancing, consulting, or online courses allow you to leverage your existing expertise, whether it's writing, graphic design, or coding. The side hustle life. Explore options like rideshare driving, pet sitting, or house cleaning. Find something that fits your schedule and interests. Passion into profit. Do you love photography, crafting, or baking? Sell your creations online or at local markets. Transform your hobbies into income streams. Become a content creator. Share your knowledge and interests through a blog or social media platform. Monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or selling products. The sharing economy. Have a spare room? Rent it out on Airbnb. Own unused equipment? Lend it out through peer-to-peer rental platforms. Getting started on the road to riches. Building multiple income streams takes initiative, but the rewards are significant. Here are some tips to jumpstart your journey. Identify your strengths and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? This will help you choose income streams that are both profitable and fulfilling. Start small, scale up. Don't overwhelm yourself. Begin with 1 or 2 additional income sources and gradually expand as you gain experience and confidence. Invest in yourself. Take online courses or workshops to develop new skills that can be monetized. 3. Living below your means. Living below your means doesn't mean living miserably. It's about conscious spending and prioritizing your financial goals. Here are some tips to get started. Track your expenses. Awareness is key. Understand where your money goes by tracking your income and expenses for a month. There are numerous budgeting apps and resources available to help you with this. Budgeting is your best friend. Create a realistic budget that allocates your income towards necessities, savings, and some fun money. Sticking to your budget prevents impulse purchases and keeps you on track. Challenge yourself. Do you really need that daily latte or the latest gadget? Explore ways to cut back on unnecessary expenses. Consider cheaper alternatives. Embrace free entertainment options like parks and libraries. And cook at home more often. Living below your means is a mindset shift. It's about delayed gratification and understanding that true wealth comes from long-term planning. 4. Developing a growth mindset. A growth mindset fosters the belief that your intelligence and financial skills are not set in stone. You can develop them through effort, learning, and perseverance. This empowers you to embrace challenges. The financial world is full of challenges, from budgeting to investing. A growth mindset helps you see these as opportunities to learn and grow, not roadblocks to riches. Welcome setbacks. Financial setbacks, like unexpected expenses or market downturns, are inevitable. A growth mindset helps you bounce back, learn from mistakes, and stay focused on your long-term goals. Embrace continuous learning. The financial landscape is constantly evolving. A growth mindset fosters a love of learning, keeping you up to date on financial strategies and adapting your approach as needed. Here are some exercises to strengthen your growth mindset in your 20s. Celebrate effort. Focus on the effort you put into financial planning, budgeting, or learning new skills, not just the outcome. Celebrate small wins and progress. Learn from mistakes. Instead of dwelling on financial missteps, view them as valuable lessons. Analyze what went wrong and adjust your approach for the future. Step outside your comfort zone. Challenge yourself to try new things financially, like investing in a small amount of stock or starting a side hustle. Seek inspiration. Surround yourself with positive individuals who share your growth mindset and financial goals. Read stories of successful people and learn from their experiences. Growth mindset plus smart habits equals to riches. A growth mindset empowers you to take action and embrace the strategies that build wealth in your 20s. Living below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation and prioritize saving and investing your hard-earned income. Multiple income streams. Explore ways to generate income beyond your main job, like freelancing or a side hustle. Investing for the long term. Start investing early, even with small amounts, to harness the power of compound interest. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. With a growth mindset and consistent effort, you can unlock your full financial potential in your 20s and pave the way for a secure and prosperous future. So ditch the limiting beliefs, embrace the challenge, and watch your riches grow alongside your knowledge and confidence. I hope this video helps you in being one step closer to your financial goals. Please give a thumbs up on the video if you have enjoyed watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more wealth creation tips. I'd see you in the next video. Bye.